I am Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and today I have a mini foldable rechargeable fan. And I can't tell you how much I love these things. This is my second one and they are amazing. So I have taken this to the Amazon. I've had it when we've gone camping. It's like so cool. I can't tell you how much I love it. So I got it in this cute blue, because who doesn't love cute blue? Well, maybe you don't, but that's okay. So basically you can use it a multitude of ways. First, it comes with, this is your charger. So this side you're gonna plug into the fan, and this you are gonna probably have some of these laying around, and then plug that into the wall, or you can just plug it directly into your computer. Basically, to use it as the handheld, it clips in like that, so it's an easy clip. To use it as a desk fan, if you want to sit it on your desk, I mean, you can literally sit it like this. There's also this little clip, fits in these little slots here, so you can attach to something if you want to hang it onto something. The amount of power that comes out of this is crazy. It is amazing and I love it. So it's got 3 speeds. Oh yeah, that's nice. 2, 3.
Tornado speed.
It's like so good. It is so cooling and it has so much power. You can probably see. I mean, we love these things. Like I said, we have taken these have gone to the Amazon, they've gone camping with us, they have gone everywhere. It's so compact. You know, the fact that you can just fold it in half and stick it in your bag and charge it overnight, use it the next day, they're super awesome.